Someone in class asked me this question from chapter 6. I don't know which question it is. Probably from a question paper, board exam question paper. Class 10 mathematics. So the question is given that in ABC, DE is parallel to BC, AE is 8 cm, EC is 2 cm, and BC is 6 cm. Find DE. So I will solve it for you, all of you. So we have a triangle. Okay. ABC is the triangle. DE is parallel to BC. DE is drawn parallel to BC. Then AE is 8 cm. This one from A to E, it is 8 cm. EC is 2 cm. EC is 2 cm. BC is 6 cm. BC is 6 cm. We have to find DE, this line segment. So let us solve it. It is based on chapter 6, Similarity of Triangles. So we have to use the main theorem or similarity criteria of triangles. Let us see. DE is parallel to BC, that is given. In triangle ABC and triangle ADE. This is one triangle ADE and this is the bigger triangle ABC. So you have these two triangles ADE and ABC. In these two triangles, angle ADE is angle ABC. This angle is equal to this angle. Why these two angles are equal? It is because they are corresponding angles. Okay. AB is the transversal. See, this is the transversal AB, and DE, if you extend DE, and BC, if you extend BC like this. Suppose this is A, this is B, this is D. So AB is the transversal which cuts these two lines, DE and BC. DE and BC. This is the transversal. So the corresponding angles are equal, right? So that is the reason. ADE is equal to ABC. This is ADE and this is ABC. So since they are corresponding angles generated by cutting two parallel lines by a transversal, so they are equal. Okay? Let me repeat. ADE and ABC are equal because they are corresponding angles. How? Because AB acts as the transversal of two parallel lines DE and BC. These two lines are parallel, it is already given. Hence, since AB acts as the transversal that cuts the two parallel lines DE and BC, so corresponding angles will be equal. Okay. And angle AED is equal to angle ACB. Right? What is the reason? AED is equal to ACB. AED, this angle is equal to this angle. Why they are equal? Same reason, corresponding angles. How they are corresponding angles? AC acts as the transversal. AC acts as the transversal. This line of, and it cuts the two parallel lines D, E and B, C. So the corresponding angles are equal, these two angles. So they are equal. Corresponding angles, same reason. Hence we have by AA similarity triangle ABC and triangle ADE are. So by AA similarity, ABC and ADE, these two triangles are similar. Hence, if these two triangles, the smaller triangle and the bigger triangle, they are similar, hence we have DE by BC is equal to AE by AC. Why? DE by BC is equal to AE by AC is equal to AE by AC. Why they are equal? Because they are corresponding sides of similar triangles, right? ADE and ABC are similar triangles, as we have proved. Okay, so if they are similar, then their corresponding sides, the ratio of their corresponding sides will be same. Okay, so that is why DE by BC will be equal to AE by AC, which means DE will be equal to AE by AC into BC. Let us continue it here. So DE is equal to, what is AE? AE is 8 centimeter. 8 divided by AC. What is AC? AC is the summation of AE plus EC. AC is summation of AE plus EC. AE is 8, EC is 2. EC is 2. So we get 10. So AC is 10. So DE is equal to 8 by 10 into BC. What is the value of BC? Is 6. So we have 24 by 5. 4.8 cm, right? And that is your answer. Okay.